wanted to show you guys this coloring book that I received from the company. I love this because it's just like a mess-free way to have the kids paint and color without having to worry about having the different paints. It's just like very contained. So up on top is a palette of different colors that you just, and it comes with this brush, and you just add some water. You can then wipe it onto the palette and then paint in where you want. This one is numbered, so it makes the suggestion of where to put the colors, but you could do, my daughter's doing whatever she wants. It's also just like a really nice thick cardstock, so it doesn't bleed through. You don't have to worry about it. It's great for like being on the go. If you want to take this to like a restaurant or like when you're traveling, you can then take it out and then just rip off the palette, and then you have the picture. This is just like a great way to add some art to like really easy way to add painting and art to your kids' life without having to worry about buying a ton of supplies. I definitely recommend this. Happy I have it.